Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your Samsung Galaxy F14. So to start, you have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Google Play Store for sure. I'm always using the EasyFax. So we have to open it now. Then to choose the document, if you're doing it for the first time, you have to add the permissions to the files and to the camera, it's necessary. Okay, so now tap on the plus and choose source of your document. I will pick something from your gallery, like this one. Of course, you can select more than one picture. Okay, now tap on the import. You can add a shape to your document. If you are ready, click go. And now choose the filter for your file to make it more visible. There is a preview. You can also add a signature, text and a graffiti by these icons. If you are ready, click accept. Type the number here. Don't forget to choose the country from the list. Optionally, you can give a small note here. And if you want to send more documents, maybe from the other source, click here and do it like before. If you want to send only this one, just click here, buy your credits, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.